Aquarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the year 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading and I'll also use some oracle decks. This is the Mystic Moon deck with respect to your love life. I'm also being called upon to use Celtic Lenormand. We will wrap up this reading with messages from the Angel Therapy cards. So Aquarius, let's just dive into your reading without wasting any further time. Towards the final days of 2020, stepping into 2021, we have the card Four of Wands. Certainly surprises were in store for Aquarians in this period. Even your personal magnetism was at its high, so you were definitely turning heads. Other than that, I think you were someone who was pushing the envelope. Maybe you wanted to complete as much as you could before 2021 stepped in. For many of you, I'm also picking up that you were concerned about the home life. Maybe you desired stability with respect to your family life, or you are looking for commitment as well in this period. Or there may have been home improvements as well in 2020. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that are in store for Aquarians this year is the Six of Pentacles. Certainly this year is going to be one when you will feel that money is flowing out easily. Maybe expenditure is going to mount, so you need to be careful or you need to save for a rainy day. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you could be called upon to pay fines because you have not paid the bills on time. Could crop up. Other than that, for some Aquarians, technical gadgets could also malfunction, so that could also put a strain on your pockets this year. In this year, you may also find yourself in situations where there could be misunderstandings. Maybe you should tackle everybody around you in a very diplomatic fashion. Incidentally, this year, you will be sought after for your words of wisdom. While working also, I think you should be careful about the documents that you have. Maybe you will spend your time looking for important papers as well this year. Influences for the year 2021, we have the Magician card. So divine timing is definitely at work in your life. Sometimes you may be dealing with a person who is a male figure. Maybe this person is not paying attention to what you're saying, or he is disregarding, though he knows that you're being truthful, but he may try to brush your concerns aside. That is something you have to deal with this year. Again, you should be ethical with respect to financial issues. Maybe there could be discord on account of finances. Interestingly, I think people will be benevolent towards you, or maybe younger people within the family could also come up and rescue you when you are in need. Young acquaintances as well could be coming up to your rescue or to your aid. Largely, I think solutions will be in sight for problems that surface. Basically, you are being called upon to be patient as well. Maybe the momentary tension will be there, but later on you'll be relaxed and happy. Also, I think in case you are looking for work opportunities or employment opportunities, while going for the interview, I think you should work on your attitude. Maybe you're coming across as someone who has got a big head. This may not go down well with the person at the interview panel. Besides, I think you should also lower your expectations a bit. Maybe you think that you are demanding a lot because you are not happy with the work offer that has come your way. So that is why you can take that chance. Those who are employed, I think you'll be discussing your pay with your employer. Maybe you think that you will not be paid because you're an intern, or in case you're just learning the ropes at the workplace, but then you'll be glad that, or you'll be delighted because payment is certainly coming your way. Basically, surprises are in store for you this year, so you need to negotiate also with people and have your way. Aquarians, in this year, I'm also picking up that reunions is also on the cards. Maybe you could also be decluttering your space, or you could be going on shopping trips as well. Of the year, this is January, February, March, April. We have the King of Pentacles. So this is the time to make material inroads. Perhaps if you're going for an interview, then I think you should talk about your sad experiences in the past. And this could certainly melt, or this could have an effect on the seniors who are there in the interview panel, and that is why you could come away bagging the job. Other than that, Aquarians, I think while signing documents also you should read between the lines. Maybe somebody could also try to take you for a ride, or somebody could want to fleece you, but then you should be thankful because somebody is there who is going to watch your back. In this period, you may also be someone who is quite pushy, or who wants to push family members to do, or because you have their best interests at heart, but this may not go down well with the person. Maybe this person thinks that he cannot take it, or he cannot take your pushy demeanor any further. There'll also be those situations when you'll be called upon to step in and take the onus, as someone could back out. Nonetheless, I think you will find in this period, because of your efforts, that your loved ones or your family members could make gains also. Also, while dealing with people, I think you should not act out of turn, especially in financial matters, maybe because somebody could be suspicious about the way you're going about the tasks. The next 4 months, that is May, June, July, August, for Aquarians, we have the Empress card. Certainly, your magnetic personality is coming to the fore. This is interesting because we have the King and we have the Empress. So certainly the King of Pentacles is looking for his Empress and is finding her in this year. So maybe a union is also on the cards for some Aquarians. Nonetheless, between May, June, July, August, this is the time when you can get a work offer, maybe for a side hustle, or in case there's a side of an offer for a side profession. That is also a possibility. Largely, you're desiring a good pay packet. Maybe you're also promoting yourself. Those who are at the helm of affairs, I think you should be a bit more tolerant. It's the Empress energy, so you need to be more nurturing. Maybe you're going to be someone who's going to stretch discipline too far. Nonetheless, I think praise for your department would also come, and this means it will reflect very well on your leadership skills. Maybe sometimes you'll ask the superior or the management to help you out to sort out issues that are there, because maybe there are juniors or clients who are not paying heed to what you're trying to convey. So that is why you want the senior or the superior to step in. Towards the last 4 months, that is the Sun card we have here, that is September, October, November, December. So in this period, I think Aquarians, you should watch your temperament, because it's quite likely that you will blow hot and cold, and this could have a bearing on your relationships. Later, you may realize that it was no point getting exasperated or irked. Besides, I think you'll also realize that your assumptions were unfounded. In this period, many Aquarians will be self-sacrificing, but then your work colleagues or maybe even your family members may think that you're not open-handed, or that you're not generous towards them, or that you are taking in less than the workload, and that the other person is saddled with more than his share of the work. So that is why I think that you will switch responsibilities as well. You think it's very wrong of the person to say so, because you've always done more than your share. Largely in this period, Aquarians, you'll be thinking of your long-term future. Maybe there could also be a work offer. Again, for a side profession, this is the year when you may find that offers could come your way on account of your acquaintances as well. Basically, in this year, you're also looking for some kind of newness as well. Maybe you want to do something different as well. You should also be ready for feedback. Maybe well-meaning criticism can also push you to do better. In the last 4 months, I think as an employer or as the leader of the pack, you will definitely be making allowances for your workers. Again, in this year also, I think nature could heal you a bit, because you see we have the Sun card, so maybe you're looking out to the sun, or you're going to be in the garden. For some of you, I'm also picking up that maybe you're looking for land or property deals, or you're looking at home improvements as well this year. With respect to your love life, we have the cards Union. This is very interesting, because I did outline in this reading that the King is looking for his Empress. So certainly, Aquarians, many of you can expect a union, which is written in the stars. Another card we have here is Contemplation, which is quite ironic, because maybe sometimes some of you could be in a contemplative mode about your future of a relationship, or you're deciding about what is going to come up next. Perhaps you're desiring a union, but it is also making you think about it. Nonetheless, single Aquarians, you can expect admirers in this year. Maybe this person is wooing you, but then you are disinclined or you're disinterested. Possibly, he can even talk about unrequited love. Basically, I think Aquarians, you're coming across as someone who's quite rule-worthy. In the last 4 months of the year also, you may find that your loved ones could be playing Cupid as well. Those who are crushing on someone, I think you feel that you share a past life connection with this person or the special someone. And maybe sometimes you may want to reach out to him, but you will hold yourself back as you want this person to make the move. There'll also be those times when you'll be gripped by nostalgia, maybe because the home life is not too good or it's not too rosy. That is why you're desiring a union with this person. Maybe you think that he is the person who is your knight in shining armor, who can rescue you. Those who are in an on-again, off-again relationship, you may think that this relationship may make you a bit contemplative. Maybe you think that it's always you who's taking the initiative. Romancing Aquarians, I think you'll be left grinning from year to year as your lover will reconfirm his love for or his feelings for you. Maybe there'll be good exchanges with respect to conversations, or you'll be discussing work as well. But ideally, I think Aquarians, you should be more open about your feelings. Maybe you should not be coming across as to being too detached. I think you should not snub him or say something unkind, because that could wound his soul as well. Certainly your person will bring up or talk about plans about marriage. Like I said, a union is definitely there for many Aquarians in 2021. On the other hand, those of you who are married, I think you shouldn't neglect your spouse. Maybe you are ignoring him, that is why he feels left out. For some of you, I'm also picking up that you could be dealing with a person who is quite touchy. For in case you're in an unhappy situation, that maybe you're desiring freedom. You definitely believe that your marriage has both its good and bad moments. That is why maybe you're in a contemplative mode. I think you're also somebody who would want your partner to limit his interactions with the opposite sex. From Celtic Lenormand, we have the card Rider. Certainly somebody is coming in with news and messages. And we also have the card Key. So certainly in this year, Aquarians, you're getting insight. There could be those moments when you will gain a lot of insight into your life. Perhaps with respect to matters of the heart, or with respect to your professional life as well. Basically, you're learning something. From the Angel Therapy cards, we have the card Sacral Chakra. This is the second chakra which we are dealing with. So you need to heal the sacral chakra. Maybe you have to do it with toxic food as well. Respect your sensitivities by avoiding harsh items, situations, and relationships. You are also highly sensitive this year to chemicals, additives, and processed food. Maybe it could lead to some allergies as well. So respect your sacral chakra, and maybe you could do healing with respect to the second chakra. Lastly, we have the card Manifestation Power. Use your spiritual gifts and natural abilities to attract your desired outcome. Certainly, your angels are there supporting your life purpose and your career goals, even your love life. So even you are being called upon, Aquarians, you're quite psychic and you have that intuitive flashes. So you should tap into that side of your personality. Besides, I think you can manifest whatever you desire this year. So do just that. Please, Aquarians, please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. I hope you liked your reading for the year 2021 as much as I enjoyed doing it. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.